Assalamualaikum guys. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can move parameter values inside the mouse software. Like this parameter value, if I want to move this value into here, then I will have to use this parameter move parameter value to function. I have clicked onto the that option. Now I can move these parameter value easily where I want. Like sometimes the hidden parameter value can't be shown, so we can move them here to just the values. Like here I can move these values easily. Sometimes like these values are not showing, so I can move here to know what the value are. Like this value is also hidden, so I'll move it here, and this one is also hidden, I move it here. This is how we can adjust our parameter of structure question made link inside the mouse software. Hope guys you have understand. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos like these.